We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some important news. Mr. Punk is in the building. He is asleep, but if we can wake him up, maybe he will do a review. So let's try Mr. Punk. Mr. Punk, wake it, it's review time.
Morning, AI. I'm already up, AI. I've been up a while. I've been sitting down here watching videos on YouTube about amplifiers and speaker cables. Yeah, it's all good. You're looking nice today, AI. How are you? And do us a favour, AI. Pop out in the kitchen, make us a nice cup of tea, and do us a few slices of toast. And can you do it how you did it the other day, AI? You know when you made the toast look like speakers? Can I have that again? That was really nice. I really enjoyed it. Thanks, AI. And AI, after that, can you pop in town and get us a few different flavoured pot noodles? 'Cause I got Kylie Minogue coming round tonight, and you know how she likes a pot noodle. Thanks, AI. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I was just giving AI her chores for today. So now, let's get on with the main event. The star of today's show, the Harman Kardon HK450. What a lovely looking receiver. Made by Harman Kardon, really good looking. I wouldn't say there's that many of them out there. There are out there, but they're not that common. Not a lot of people have got them, and it is a really good receiver. Really nice sounding, looks great, and I really think it's a really underrated amplifier. I've been looking on eBay last month or two, checking out some prices, and in the auction, a nice one, probably make 150, 200 quid, maybe less if you're lucky and you're going to go and collect it, might 120 quid or something like that. For that money, really good amplifier. Even in the buy it now, not ridiculous. For the dreaded buy it now, not that bad. I've seen a few of them on there, in the buy it now, all singing, all dancing, working, like 200 quid, 180 quid, 250 quid. So there's no one on there, well, not I could see, doing that ridiculous £600. So I think this Harman Kardon is a bit underrated because it's really nice. The sound of it, it's got a really good sound. It really is high end. It's lovely. So it's not bad prices really. For what you're getting, this thing is really good. But on the other hand, I did notice there's quite a lot of them come up on eBay that are not working. So I don't know if this amp is a bit unreliable. I've had mine a long time. I've used it a lot. I've never had no trouble with it. I plug it in, fire it up, away she goes. Happy days. It's lovely. But there was quite a few that don't work at a bargain price. So if you know what you're doing and you can fix one of these, you'll get one cheap. And if you fix it, then it's a great amp to have. It really is. It's a good one to have in your collection. A bit of a must-have because the sound of it is amazing, really. Put the right speakers on it. This thing is a bit of class, I tell you. It really is. I've been putting on it speaker-wise a set of Haybrook floor standers. I don't know what they are. I'm going to do a review on them another day, and hopefully you YouTube boys will know what they are, because I've hunted on eBay, online, in other places, looking for pictures, looking for anything. I can't find what these Haybrooks are. I don't know, but someone will know, so another day I'll do a thing about them. But these Haybrooks are really good. Really nice speaker. I only bought them because I saw them on eBay and I thought, Haybrook, but I don't recognise that model. And I've had a few Haybrooks over the years. They're all good, lovely speaker, the Haybrook. So these ones come up and I thought, I'd like to try them out. They look nice. So I bought them, went and picked them up, thought, oh, got them home, put them in, oh, they are quality, but I don't know what they are, so another day I'll do a review on them, we'll find out what they are. But on the Harman Kardon, the Haybrooks, oh, they was singing their head off, lovely, really nice, really good. The other speakers I've had on it, I've had a set of BW DM14s running on it, which are a lovely old vintage BW speaker. They got a little wooden stands with a base. When you look at them, I really like them because they look like droids out of Star Wars. They got that look to them. I've got a set, really nice condition. Yeah, I really like them. And they sound good. They can be fussy, them BWs. Put them with the wrong amplifier, they're a bit muddy, they're a bit... But that Harman Kardon can really get a decent performance out of them, I tell ya. The DM14s on that Harman Kardon are a winner. I had them set up, I get really nice soundstage, all happening. Lovely vocals, lovely deep bass, and loud as well. Them DM14s, sometimes I do turn it up a little bit, see what they got in them. On that Harman Kardon, crank them up. Oh yeah, you get your neighbours round, no worries about that. You fall out with the whole street, the Harman Kardon with them DM14s on it, I'll tell ya. So that's a good combo. But them DM14s, they do make a little bit of money, so you would expect them to be good. The other set I put on it, modernish, little set of Gale bookshelves. Now, I didn't have them going on it too long because they just couldn't do it justice. That Harman Kardon can create so much detail, it can give you such a lovely soundstage, it can really deliver. I put it through these little Gales, sat there and just wanted to cry because it was so bad. So, I'm sorry Gale, but these little speakers are not up to a lot. So, it's thumbs down for the little Gale bookshelf on the Harman Kardon. They were just no good. The best thing you do with them Gale Reds, really, is like invite Harry Kane round, take them outside and have a kickabout in the street, because that's really all these Gales good for. So I was very disappointed with that, but I'm over it now and I've moved on. Also, I've had some nice kefs on it. I think they're HQ5s. Now they sounded nice on it. Put them with the Harman Kardon, lovely, really good sound, really detailed. And you know, people in the know, them HK450s are a bit clinical. They're not what you call a smooth sound, a vintage sound. They're modern, they're clinical, they're a bit harsh. But on this Harman Kardon, that becomes really nice, really detailed, really lovely sound. Like on some of the other amps, them kevs can be too much for them, and you're listening and it's a bit like, oh, I'll turn that down a bit. But on this Harman Kardon, them kevs were singing, and I think that's because this Harman Kardon, it is a class act. It really is a bit of class. There's quality in there, you can just hear it. When you put it on, yeah, it's got some quality to it. So, the power of it is 30 watts per channel into 8 ohms. Now, I had a look up about it. Some people say it's from 1978, some people say it's from 1979. So I'm not sure. It's from one of them years, 78 or 79. I don't know. But I read a few reviews on it online, and people like this one, like it a lot. What people were saying about it, they really like it, and That's surprising because them ones online that people normally rave on about, oh, it's better than this, it's better than that. It's better than anything by Pioneer. Oh, it's much better than anything Marantz ever made, or Rotel, and it's much better than anything by Sansui. Yeah, and people read them reviews, and I think they think, oh, I've got to have one of them, that sounds great. Get it home, it don't sound that great. What they don't realise is the bloke who's left that review, he's got 5 of them for sale on eBay. But with this Harman Kardon, them reviews where they're raving about it, they are right, it is good. So, for the money, it's a bit under the radar. Normally, them ones that people go, oh, it's excellent and that, people read all that online, they go after it, the price is soar, but it ain't happened to this Harman Kardon, so it's a real bargain. If you got one of these, you would not be disappointed. It's a really good amplifier. So now, we go over to Robin and see what Robin thinks of this one. But before I do, just want to have a little word with him. Now, Robin, just do your bit, mate. Yesterday, at the end of the show, giving it all the big un about I can beat the Hulk up and I can do leek sandwich, I could deliver leek sandwich, I'm stronger than the Hulk. All that yesterday, mate, you ruined the show. The listeners, they don't want to hear you giving it the big un. They want to hear serious reviews about hi-fi. Not some has-been little superhero who ain't even got Batman no more to back him up. So I'm sorry to say it, Robin, but today I don't want none of that. Can you just do your bit and we'll move on? Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to have a quick word with Robin and tell him not to do it again, because yesterday, if you watched, he did ruin the show. He's a nice little fella. I just wanted to tell him and put it straight. Then we can move on and get back to some serious hi-fi review. Right, so, ready, Robin? Let's go over and see what Robin thinks of this one. The Harman Kardon HK450. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a stinky, stinky pile of dog poo, and I could have the Hulk. Cut! Robin, what the hell is going on, mate? You're ruining the show again, Robin. Sort it out, Robin. You know how this works, Robin. I like the amplifier. You agree with me. You like the amplifier. If I don't like the amplifier, then you say something bad about the amplifier. But this is the Harman Kardon, Robin. You like this one. The other day, when we was playing Batman theme on it, you was loving it. It's the Harman Kardon, Robin. Don't be like that about it. Just 'cause I told you off and now you got the don't go ruining the show, Robin. Please. Sort it out. You're not irreplaceable, Robin, so sort it out. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We'll have a little take 2. Ready? Lights, camera, action. Take 2 on the Harman Kardon HK450. Let's go over Robin. What do you think of it, Robin? I don't like it. It's German rubbish. Cut. Robin, we've spoke about this, mate. Don't go all like this, going all moody and that. I'll get rid of you, Robin. I'll put you up in the loft with the Christmas stuff. You'll be up there until next year, mate. I'll put you in that bag with the Christmas toys. You won't come out till next year, Christmas. So it's up to you, mate. Have a little think about it. Don't look at me like that. Have a little think about it. See what you want to do. We'll try it once more, Robin, and you say something nice, yeah? Alright, Robin. Alright, Robin, have you had a little think about it, right? I'm sorry I had to go at you, Robin, alright? I'm sorry I had to go at you, but it did need saying, and now you're just playing up. So can you just do your bit, Robin, so we can move on with this video? We got more, mate. We got more amplifiers, more speakers. We got loads to do, Robin. We ain't got time with you messing up the reviews, and ruining the show. So please, Robin, sort it out. I apologise for having a go at you, but can you please just do it properly? Right, Robin? So what's it going to be, Robin? Are you going to sort it out, or are you going in the loft? It's up to you, mate. I'll sort it out. I'll do a good review. But please, Mr. Punk, can I have a little bit of the show at the end and I'll be a really, really, really good little Robin? All right, Robin, you want a bit at the end? All right, Robin, you can have a bit at the end, but as long as you apologise to the Hulk, because the last thing I want is the Hulk round here, banging on the door, coming in here, trying to pull your head off, smashing all the house up. I really don't need that, Robin. So I'll let you have a bit at the end of the show, Robin, and you can apologise to the Hulk. Is that all right? Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lights, camera, action. Over to you, Robin. Right, so let's see what Robin thinks of the Harman Kardon HK450. What do you think of it, Robin? Yeah, I really like it. It really looks good. It looks like it should be in the back cave. Thanks, Robin, that's better, mate. And you can have a little bit at the end of the show, as long as you apologise to the Hulk, yeah? Is that alright? Yeah. Right, ladies and gentlemen, now we've sorted Robin out, let's get back and do some serious review on the Harman Kardon HK450. I can only apologise for Robin, and I will be having a word with him later, but he seems to be alright now, so let's have a butcher's at the front of this. As you can see, it's got a nice looking front, nice and shiny. It's got the on-off, which is handy for turning it on and off. You got your bass, you got your treble, you got your balance, you got your tape monitor, you got your selector, got your loudness button, and you got your volume. Nice big tuning wheel, lovely turn. You got your switches, speakers 1, speakers 2, you got your mono button and your FM muting. Nice. Right, so let's turn it round and have a little look at the back. So as you can see on the back, got all the usual suspects. Phono, nice phono this one, aux, cut of tapes, nice. It's got reset buttons, right and left, in case it trips out. Your speaker cable terminals, connections for your antennae, back across, trip buttons, and nice speaker cables. High-end speaker cables, vintage, high-end, sound absolutely fantastic. Back, got interconnects, Lin Black, nice interconnect, good value, what you get, not ridiculous money, but a good interconnect. So that about wraps it up on the HK450. So all we're going to do now is let Robin have his little bit. Hopefully he's going to apologise to the Hulk, and then that's it, be all good. Over to you, mate. You wrote down what you're going to say. Nice apology to the Hulk. Ready, Robin? Off you go, mate. The show's all yours. Yeah, I'll apologise to the Hawk. I'll apologise to what I'm going to do to the green bogeyman's face. If he come round here trying to deliver leek sandwiches, I'd get hold of the big green bogeyman and cut. Robin, what the hell are you doing? That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. This episode was a Mr. Punk UK production. See you in the next one. Bye.